In this video, we're going to walk through the process of aligning the text on your page. And you can do that center, right, or left. Let me show you what that looks like. If I want the text on my page to all be left aligned, then it's all going to line up on the left margin. If I want it right aligned, then it's all going to be aligned on the right. Centered, justify. The tag, to do that, is to choose the element that you want to align, for H1 for example. So on my page, let's say I wanted a dream vacation to Paris to be centered on the page. A dream vacation to Paris is my H1, as you can see here. But if I wanted location and language and food, which are all my H2s, header 2s, then you just choose the tag, the element that you want to align. So I want to align my H1, so I'm just going to copy this and put it in my style section of my page and Control V. So H1, curly bracket, text align, text dash align, colon, center, semicolon, and then close the brackets. And now let's see what that does. I'm going to save. And I'm going to refresh this page, and you can see that now it's centered.